I'm very excited. I am flying Delta to Cancun today, and I've had the good fortune of being upgraded, free upgrade to the front of the cabin. So let's see what the experience is like. First class passengers use the Sky Priority lane for check-in at JFK Airport in New York City. I was among the first to board, and Delta used facial recognition technology during boarding, which was pretty cool. The first-class cabin on the Airbus A330-300 has 2 seats in the middle and single seats on both sides of the aircraft. The overhead storage bins are larger in the middle than on the sides. On wide-body international flights, the first-class service is called Delta One, and it has more amenities, although some were missing on my flight, maybe because of pandemic-related service changes or the shorter length of my flight. Still, the seating areas are spacious and comfortable. I found a lot of handy features on this flight, including charging outlets and a retractable table tray. I also liked this cool push-button armrest, although I'm not sure why they make you put it away during taxi, takeoff, and landing. I also loved this tiny reading light. After takeoff, I was able to get even more comfortable. There's plenty of legroom for stretching out on the Airbus A330. The seats have lots of adjustment options and can even lie flat. But, unlike in Delta's description, however, they did not provide pillows or blankets. I still found it quite comfortable. In-flight entertainment is provided by a large pop-out screen, and you can use this remote control for lighting and entertainment, or just use the touchscreen itself. The Delta Studio headphones offer a high-quality sound experience, and you plug them right in at the eye level next to your seat. Another feature that wasn't quite what's usually advertised was meal service. There's a choice of only a fruit and cheese platter or coconut chia oatmeal, served chilled in a paper box with eco-friendly bamboo cutlery. It was not fancy, but at least it was healthy and tasty. If you're wondering about the lavatories, they had some cool lighting displays and amenities, as you can see. Before long, it was time to put my seat back up and get ready for landing. Overall, this was a super comfortable way to arrive in paradise in Cancun, even if some of the amenities weren't what you might expect in normal full-service conditions. Thanks for watching my review. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and check out my travel blog, latinflyer.com.